If Krita is giving you an unexpected error, crashing when you open a workspace or failing when you try to save a file, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. These problems are usually caused by cloud sync conflicts, corrupted layers, background processes, graphics driver issues, or memory settings that need a quick adjustment. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get Krita working again without guessing. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's deal with the unexpected error during file saving. If Krita is refusing to save your project, one of the biggest causes is cloud backup interference. Services like OneDrive, Dropbox, or iCloud can lock files while Krita is trying to write them, which can trigger an error. The easiest fix is to save your project into a completely local folder that is not being synced by any cloud service. For example, create a folder directly on your desktop or inside your documents that is separate from your cloud-synced directories. Then try saving the file there again. In many cases, that alone solves the problem immediately. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is a layer corruption. Sometimes a broken or duplicated layer can interfere with Krita's saving process. To test this, create a brand new document canvas, then go back to your broken file and copy all of the layers from it. Paste those layers into the new workspace and try saving the fresh file instead. This simple layer isolation method can remove whatever bad data was hidden in the original document. If that still does not fix it, try changing the file format. Go to File, then Save As, and switch the extension from .kra to either .psd or .ora. This can help dump problematic vector profile data and give you a cleaner version of the file to work with. Next, let's fix the unexpected error during Workspace launch. If Krita opens strangely, refuses to load properly, or throws an error as soon as you launch it, the issue may be caused by corrupted local setting files or a background process that never fully closed. On Windows, open Task Manager and look for any Krita processes still running in the background. On macOS, open Activity Monitor and do the same. If you see any stuck or zombie Krita tasks, force quit them completely. Then reopen Krita and test the launch again. Clearing out those dead instances often resets the program enough to start normally. Now let's move on to unexpected canvas crashes while drawing. If Krita is crashing when you paint, move the brush, or work on the canvas, the problem is often related to your graphics card driver or a conflict with your tablet interface. A very useful fix is to swap the graphics engine. Open Krita, go to Settings, then Configure Krita, then Display. From there, change the canvas renderer from OpenGL to Direct 3D through Angle, then restart the application. This can solve a lot of canvas stability issues, especially on systems where OpenGL is causing trouble. If the crashes continue, go back into Settings, then Configure Krita and open Performance. Increase the memory limit to around 75 to 80% of your total physical RAM. This gives Krita more working space and can reduce sudden crashes during heavy drawing sessions. Just be careful not to max it out completely, because your system still needs enough memory to run smoothly in the background. So to recap, if Krita shows an unexpected error while saving, move the file to a local folder, isolate the layers in a new document, or switch the save format. If Krita won't launch properly, close any stuck background processes. And if the canvas keeps crashing, change the renderer and adjust memory settings. These fixes cover the most common causes and should help you get back to creating without the frustration. If this tutorial solved your problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.